Have you decided to build a home in the Philippines? That's an exciting journey, but be prepared for some challenges along the way. Many people are tempted to cut costs, but remember, if you go cheap, you could end up with cheap results. Finding a reliable builder can be tricky, especially if your partner has relatives in the industry. Before hiring anyone, do your research. Speak with someone who has built a house with them. There are 3 main levels of finishes for homes in the Philippines. The rough finish includes basic essentials, priced at 20,000 to 23,000 pesos per square meter. The standard finish offers upgraded features for 25,000 to 30,000 pesos per square meter. Finally, the high-end finish includes luxurious fittings costing 35,000 to 40,000 pesos per square meter. Determine the size of your home and your finish to set a budget. Now, do you need an architect? Absolutely. Unless you're knowledgeable about construction, hiring an architect is wise. They will guide you through the design process and work on revisions until your dream home is ready. Architects typically charge 5% to 12% of the build cost. They will also coordinate the necessary engineers for detailed drawings. The architecture phase ensures you'll have the proper structural guarantees. Plus, they will help you find contractors for your project. When bids come in from contractors, you have options for savings, especially on systems like AC and security. Request a bill of materials, BOM, from your contractor. Review each item carefully to ensure it meets the specifications. Allowing the contractor to handle purchases can save you money as they are familiar with local suppliers. As construction begins, the contractor will guide you in selecting styles and materials. You'll negotiate payment terms, starting with a typical 30% deposit. The remaining payments can be structured based on completion stages. Building your home will start with setting up an accommodation shed and toilet for the workers. They will live on site to secure materials and the property. Stay tuned for the next article, where I'll discuss common issues encountered during builds. This insight will reinforce why you need professional architectural services. Happy building!